All right, if you haven't watched my first video of how to turn on Shopify and connect it to Printful, you might want to watch that. I'll try to have a link in the description below. So after you have done that already, I used Printful, and that's where I'm going to sell my t-shirts from, print on demand. I'm going to go into this section here in the settings. So you can always look for the gear usually when you need to go to settings for somewhere. And I want to go to domains over here on the left hand side because I don't want corkabishop.myshopify.com. I want it to be mybusinessname.com. That's it. So I'm going to go to domains, and I'm going to have to buy a new domain. And I recommend buying the domain in Shopify because it just keeps it all in one place. It makes it a lot easier. So I'm going to do Corkaby Shop. I'm going to guess it's not taken yet. Okay, change to a new myshopify.com. So I don't need to do that. You don't have to search that. You can see if it's available first. And I'm going to go click to buy a new domain. And the domain I want to buy is corkabishop.com. Awesome. It's right here. It's $15 a year. It might be cheaper on GoDaddy or Namecheap, but then you're going to have to point the records to Shopify, and I would rather save my time and spend $5 extra and just have it on Shopify so I don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to go ahead and click buy because I want that .com if possible whenever I can get it. It's $15. It renews every year on February 4th. And I'm going to go ahead and click buy domain, that little green button in the right hand bottom. If you don't have your name picked out or you can't find one that's available, Shopify has a link, or Shopify has a site that will generate names for you. So that's a really great asset to help you find a domain that's available. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is verify our email address. I'm going to go ahead and to register your domain, you need to verify your email address within 15 days. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to open up another window here, make it nice and cluttered for you. Okay, so I'm going to go to my email. I already have my Dina@Corkaby email open, and there's a letter from Shopify already. So I'm going to go ahead and click confirm email. Yes, this is my email. You're going to want to click that green button. It's going to take a minute to load. Thank you for your patience. I appreciate you. I want to do a little gratitude while I'm sitting here waiting for that to roll. All right, so I want to go back to the Shopify homepage, and we can check it out and see the setup guide, and we do have the custom domain is added. And I also want to show you what your website will look like before you start building it out. It's real simple. So I'm going to open up another window. Let's look up corkabishop.com and see what's happening. All right, there it is. Just says Corkaby Shop, opening soon. Be the first to know when we launch. So I'm going to check that out. I'm going to go ahead and add my email in here, another email address, and see what that looks like. Thanks for subscribing. And another thing I want to do is check the email and make sure that that email went through, so I know I'm getting those leads coming in. Let's see. Support. I don't think it's come in yet. I just want to see because it might not be working for some reason. Okay, it's not going to my Dina@Corkaby.com, or maybe it's just taking a little time. Okay, so anyway, you know what this looks like now, which is pretty exciting. Your store is almost already built, right? Okay, so I think that's all I'm going to do for this video is how to connect your custom domain. And we will work through the entire step-by-step process of creating a print-on-demand store on my YouTube channel. I'm so freaking excited to do this for you. So watch around this video. You'll see some other videos pop up and you can check out the rest of the series. All right, I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment with questions. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.